Hello all, welcome to the video tutorial for system admin for depot management. First open any browser, preferably Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Then type the name of IREPS site, which is http://ireps.ireps.gov.in. But for showing all these things, I will use the trial site, which is just as like as our original site. Let us type the address, that is https://www.trial.ireps.gov.in. So only difference between the production site and the trial site is this word trial dot. So hit enter. You may get a warning like this: continue to this website, not recommended. Click here and then go to the login. Please click on IMMS. It will take you to the IMS homepage, that is the login page. Already all system admins have been provided with user ID and password for trial site as well as production site. Please enter your Sysadm followed by the 2-digit railway code, whatever it may be. Enter it and give the password. If you forget the password, then you can reset it by this button, that is change password using your digital certificate. This will ask you to reset your password with a new one and using your digital signature. For the time being, we will continue with our password. So after entering your password, click on login, then go to proceed to login. System will tell you to attach your digital signature certificate, which you have already attached in your USB drive. Then hit OK. Select the perfect or the correct one out of the list. Enter the e-token password very carefully. And there you are. You have logged in as Zonal System Administrator of IMMS. Now basically, you will get this admin menu and this MMIS system admin menu, which are the most two important menus or roles for managing your depot organization and your headquarter organization. So first, let us start with the admin portion. The submenus are ORG structure, app tree and workstation. Basically today we will be learning about the ORG structure. If I click here, your railway will be automatically populated, as because I am showing you as a system administrator from Greece, I have the privilege of selecting any railway. Suppose I take 14, that means I'm working as a system administrator of South East Central Railway. The screen will be like this, and if I click on this plus sign, all the depots which have already been, all the departments which have already been created here will be shown. For the time being, we are managing only the stores department, but very soon IMS will be implemented in this medical department also and in engineering department also. So as a system administrator of zonal railways, you will have to manage these two departments also. So for the time being, let us think about the 19, that is our own department, stores department. You click here, you will get another submenu, that is new division. So this new division, by clicking this new division, we create any depot or any division or the headquarter. But for your ease, we have already created the headquarter as HQ. As you can see here, that is HQ. And the system admin of South Central Railway. He has already created one depot as 80. Now suppose I am going to create one depot as 10. So how to create it? Double click on this new division. This is the division code and it should be numeric only. Give the short name, whatever it may be, and full name, and then save it. You will get this message, record saved. So just click on show refresh. Here we are. Depot 10 is created. Now we have to create the words. Words means the sections which receives issues, the materials, and the receipt sections. So first, let me create a word. For example, let us take the code as 01, WD01, and word 01. Word is created. Like this, you will have to click here to create all the words one by one. And for checking the functionality of this depot module, you will have to create minimum one word and minimum one receipt branch word. If you have any codified receipt branch word or code for that receipt branch word, enter it here, else enter it as R1. Enter the short name as RB, and here you can type receipt branch. So if I click on show refresh now and expand it once again, you see my 10 depot is created with one word and one receipt branch. So I have created a depot. Under the depot, I have created one word and one receipt branch. Now it is the time to create user. So let us create a user under 01 word, and if you click on this plus sign, you will get another submenu as new user. Double click here, and system already prompts the first 5 digits or alphabets of user ID, which must be the D, which stands for depot or division, 14 is your general relay code, and 10, which is your depot code. Now I am creating user for 01 word, so let us enter it as 01. You can enter anything here, but please follow a system name, whatever it may be. And this level is very important. It gives the power, it assigns the power to the user. So for dealer or supervisor, that is the DMS or CDMS, please give supervisor or dealer accordingly. Whenever you will be creating the user for officer, it should be 30 junior scale or 40 senior scale or 50 J administration grade in depot. So let us take 20. App ID in this case must be MMIS DP, that is the MMIS depot. Click on save. Now you will be prompted to attach the certificate of the user. Before going for creation of the user, you must have their digital certificates and store the public key by extracting the public key of the digital signature in your desktop or in any other location. Then you click on OK. Go to that location where you have stored their public keys. Suppose this is the public key of that particular person. Select it, click on open. You will get the message. Click on OK, and the certificate is added. Then you will have to assign the sections for which sections you will be working. We have already assigned here. However, you have to assign it here once again. Select the department as 19, as I have told you already. Division, it should be 10. Section, it should be 01. Then save it. Now the time for assigning the roles. Roles are basically the menus which determines his working area. So click on roles. If you click on role ID, you will get a lot of roles. So just remember, for word keepers, you will have to give only this menu or role, that is Depot SDK, Depot Store. And for seeing all the queries of IMMS, give IMS query to all the users. Click on save and your user is created. So like this, you'll have to create all the users under R1 branch also, and under the words which you will be creating one by one, and you will have to create one depot admin also. That I will show you in the next part. Thank you for watching it. Thank you very much.